2015 Chevy Suburban lifted beast. Really beautiful car. He just bought it yesterday and he said, I'm bringing it to the exhaust shop. And he brought it to the best and forgot the rest. Anyways, it's got a Fat Tank lift kit. What it's got on it, stock converter there, stock converter there. Then it's got, we wanted to true dual it, but it's got that damn dreaded third cat, so we couldn't take it off. He'll probably bring it back and we'll put two high flow cats in its place to be able to true dual it. Anyways, what we done on it, we put a DYNOMAX race bullet 24250 right there. Then we widened it out from there with duals. And because of that, you know, we had to custom bend everything because of the lift kit. There's not a lot of space there and there. Tailpipes into 5-inch angle cut tips because it's a massive car. It needs massive tips. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe and share. Get our name out there even more. Appreciate it, guys. Nice. And we always tuck them up, guys, so you guys can't see them unless you back up. Chevy Suburban lifted. That's what it sounds like. Sound decibels, go ahead. 104 at like 3,000 RPM. So it's probably about 108, 110, around 4,000. Again. Go ahead and back it up. You like that sound? It's 104. That idle is what gets me every time. That whoop, 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 whoop. I love that sound.
That's what I like. That sound.
Yeah. That looks so clean. I love them. They look really good lifted. That side? Again? What do you guys think? Let us know. LTZ Suburban. Let you guys hear on the inside. Suburban lifted. I love lifted trucks, especially ones you don't see every day like this. Normal trucks, it gets old after a while, but when you do like a Suburban, an Escalade, Expedition, Lincolns, that sounds so nice. Oh yeah, I like it. I think it's the LTZ, so it's probably got the 6.2 in it, but I'm not sure. Either 5.3 or is the 6.2.